Gift cards aren't just for holidays because stores that offer them they consistently see higher average order values. Okay, now let's go ahead and set up one in a Shopify, and I'll also show you how to make it look premium. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and teach you how to go about this because with a good gift card, you can boost your revenue. All right, and you get impulse purchases, you also get last minute giftings, and also customers often spend more than the card value. Right, now let's go ahead and I'll put you through. Now, if you want to learn how to, create a gift card product in your Shopify store, then this video is for you. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go to your products right here, okay, and you come over to gift cards, all right? Then you click on add gift card products, okay? And once you've done that, you want to, title your gift card, okay? So you want to give that a title. So I'm just going to title it, let's say, Mave Digital. Okay, then you want to give it a description, all right? So I can just paste this description. Okay, so whatever description you want to give, you can go ahead and give it, all right? Then status, you want it to be active, all right? Then uh, the type, you want to just make it a gift card. Then vendor is your store. Then collections also, you want to add it to, let's just say gift card, or you can add a new collection and you can make it gift card, right? So let's just create this collection called gift card, right? So I'm just gonna create that, right? So now it's in the gift card. Tag it also in gift card. So that way, whenever you are doing any effects in the future, the gift card is gonna everything is gonna show. Okay, like it's gonna easily show your gift card. Okay. So now these are the denominations. Okay, so you can add more denominations. Okay, I can make this 150. Okay, 125. You can add more 150. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is this image here. So in case you want to create a very catchy image so that it entices your customers, your prospective customers or any customer to easily want to get your gift card. Okay, so what you can do is you can go to Canva to create this. So let's go ahead and create a nice looking banner for our gift card. So right here in Canva, you want to come to Canva and you can easily create Canva. You can go to canva.com and sign up and you can get, free templates that you can, create, and you can also get paid one. But if you want to use the free one, you can go ahead. Now we're going to go ahead and type gift card. Okay. And we search, and you're going to see a lot of templates here. You can see a whole lot of templates that you can use. Can you see gift certificate? This one is a good one. You can see this one. You can see all these. So you can just pick any one, all right, and customize it to your store. You can also see this one. Okay, looks perfect. See this. All these are nice gift card templates that you can use. So I'm just going to pick one. Let me go with this. Okay. Let me just go with this. Okay. Can just click that. And it's owned by this fella. So I can just or I can easily just you can also see some other recommendations. I think I want to like this, so let me just go with this, and I can customize. So the moment you're here, you just want to customize it. So I can give it the title earlier, so I can just say I click on this, then instead of voucher, I can just rename this to card. Okay, so I can just say card, all right? And another thing I want to do is I want to duplicate these. You can just click on this, then click on this, duplicate, and I'm going to drag it to the top just like this. So I can add my brand name. Okay, so Mave gift card. So now the value, I wouldn't want to add the value because I am adding a lot of denominations right here. Okay, so you can just say, sorry, you can just say best value. Okay, then the validity. So you want to have the validity here, and if you don't want to have validity, you can delete this. Okay, you can easily just delete this, and that one it's gone. Okay, but if you want to add it, we can add the validity, so it's valid until So maybe it's valid on the until 2026. Okay, maybe 10 on the 29th, 10th, 2026. Okay, so let's say that's the validity. All right. So now you can also change the background color if you want it to be black or blue. I mean, if you want it to be black, you can leave it. If you want it to be blue, just click on this and you can change the background color. So I can click on this background and come to this color and I can change it to anything. I can use this color. I can use this. I can use this. So whatever color you want to use, you can always come here to change it to your color. Okay. But I'm just going to leave it as black. So let's leave it as black. So it's good that you actually create a nice gift card banner like this so that it actually portrays the look, okay, and it gets people to be enticed to buy your gift card, right? And you can even do more than this. You can see we've got a whole lot of designs right here. Okay, you see a whole lot of designs are here. You can see the templates. There are a whole lot that you can check out. You can see this is another one. It's another one. You can always go ahead and check out all these and use them for for your best interest. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to use this. All right. So now, once I'm done, I'm going to hit on share button there, and I will just click on download. And it's going to ask if it's PNG or JPG. I'm going to save as PNG, and I'm going to download. So now it's downloading. The moment it finished downloading, yeah, it's done. Okay, it's downloaded. I'm going to go back to Shopify. Okay, and I'm going to add and upload the media. And right here, you can see it's there. And now our gift card is uploaded, okay, and it is now live, right? All right. So now I always suggest that please make sure that you encourage, different denominations. Okay, create multiple denominations to encourage higher spending. Okay, so the way you know your audience, you can encourage them to spend more, right? Okay, and also you want to add it to search engine listing. Okay, you can actually edit this, and it's already there. But if you want to customize this, you can actually customize it. Possibly it's able to also rank in Google. Okay, it's very important. All right, it's for your best interest. And the moment you're done, you want to go ahead and click on save. And now our gift card, our Mave Digital, gift card is ready. All right. So if I should click on gift cards now, okay, and I come here to more actions, all right, then I can view the gift card that I've created. So I'm gonna click on view gift card product, and right there you can see, all right. So that's how you go about this, all right. And also, whenever maybe someone buys this gift card, you also want to, customize an email template, okay, with personal message and brand color to let them know, okay, that, they've actually gotten their gift card. So you can come here to your settings and come here to notification. And right there, you want to click on customer, notification. And you want to scroll down right there to gift cards. Okay. Then you can see send to customer recipient when gift card is fulfilled. Okay. So that's how you go about it. You can just click that and you can customize that. All right. So you can easily create an email template. Okay. As you can see right here. So you can just customize this. You can send this as an email. So the moment they buy or they get any of your gift card, they get this. So you want to customize this, okay? You can send it as a text and go ahead. You can also send it as SMS, all right? So this is how you can go about this, all right? So I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos like this. And I'm sure that you've been able to learn how you can go about to create a gift card product in your Shopify store. I'll see you in another video. Peace and bye for now.